so I want to help you raise a little food lover, which is exactly why I have put together this delicious salad. Now, I know you hear salad and you might be thinking, oh, my kid is not going to eat a salad. This is not just any salad. This is a really good salad that's packed with good fats and protein and color, but most importantly, it tastes really, really good. And I've got all the ingredients here, so let's just jump in. I'm going to show you how to make this chickpea tomato yummy salad. I want you to eat the foods that make you feel amazing. I'm so excited for you to come on this joyous journey with me because I know you're gonna feel refreshed and rejuvenated and totally motivated to take the best care of you. Okay, so the first ingredient, I've just got 1 can of organic chickpeas, garbanzo beans. If you've got dried and you want to cook them from dried, great. I'm just using this for convenience, so you want to just rinse it because there's a lot of like starch. Just give it a quick rinse. You'll see like the little bubbles forming. And when you no longer have that, you know it's clean. You can tell by feeling it doesn't have any like slimy bits on it. So that gives your kids lots of fiber and iron, really important for growing kids, and of course protein from a plant-based source. So I'm also going to add tomatoes. My daughter loves tomatoes. I don't know any of you who have kids if you love tomatoes, but she would honestly like eat this entire box of tomatoes. So I've got grape tomatoes here. I'm just gonna have them. Next up, you need a cucumber. Only about half of this cucumber though, but make it what you want. If you want more cucumber, feel free to add. So I like to cut it a little bit smaller because my daughter's 4, and so yeah, this is the size I'm gonna do, but you do whatever size you want. I love adding cucumber to salads because I find with kids that is one of the vegetables that they will actually eat. You will notice I am not peeling the cucumber. I don't peel fruits and vegetables for my daughter. I make her eat the peel. Well, I mean, you know what? She's never had it any other way, so she just eats the peel because that's the way it is. Okay, next up, I don't know a kid that does not like sweet peppers, and they add a beautiful color. And you know what the problem is with North American kids these days is they're actually not eating colorful foods. Research is actually showing that kids eat white potato and fruit juice. That's basically their fruit and veggie consumption. And I do recommend, even though my daughter Vienna is not here with me right now, she loves to be in the kitchen because I've had her in the kitchen since she was a baby with me. So for those of you who have little ones, I really encourage you to get your kids in the kitchen with you. Even if they're just pretending to chop, because with Vienna, we have like this little fake knife for her. Obviously she can't be using a chef's knife like this, but kids just love to like be part of something. And they're so much more likely to eat the food that they make with you. So if you're struggling to get your kids to eat fruits and veggies, cook with them. I have an abundance of dill right now. It smells so good. But more often than not, I use basil for this recipe, but you know what? We're gonna use dill because that's what I have. So you can use whatever fresh herbs you have on hand. So I'm just gonna cut up the dill. Use whatever herb that you know your kids will eat. And hey, if your kids won't eat fresh herbs, then don't add it. But it definitely adds lots of flavor to this wonderful chickpea tomato salad. And now I'm going to add some lemon. Okay, so the dressing, all it is fresh lemon, not real lemon from a bottle. That's not really lemon. Well, it's lemon in a plastic bottle if you know what I'm talking about. But I'm going to use real lemon, and I'm going to add some olive oil, and that is basically my dressing, keeping it simple. And then let's just mix everything together. Now I do have feta. If you want this completely plant-based, don't add any feta. But if you're like me and you like some feta, then you go for it. You do you. So let's check it out. That's perfect. So what I would suggest, if this isn't going into a lunchbox, and by the way, all of these vegetables hold up really well in a lunchbox. This is why I love making this for lunches that are to go to school. But you could serve it with some beet chips. If you're trying to get your kid to eat beets, this is a great way to do it. So some chips, put some chips on the plate. And I'm also going to chop up a little apple. And you could do a little bit of apple with some sun butter because sun butter is nut-free. There we go. Doesn't that look delicious, guys? So to get this recipe, the link is in the description. This is a featured recipe in my Little Food Lovers guide where I have tons of healthy lunch ideas. And let me tell you, you're gonna be happy to know this, that it is a sandwich-free guide of lunches because kids get so bored of lunches. So that's why I wanted to create tons of recipes that you can give to your kids to feel really good about, that taste really good. So the link is in the description box to get the guide. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, post below, subscribe to my channel, and have a joyous day. Bye!